Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove the top of a Jeep Gladiator full guide. Start by parking level, setting parking brake, and disconnecting the battery. Gather tools like Torx bits, ratchet, trim tools, and a friend to help lift panels. Refer to latch locations and keep fasteners organized by panel. Move slowly to protect seals and paint, and test fit each section before final tightening to ensure proper alignment. In this video, I will show how to remove the top of a Jeep Gladiator full guide. Begin by laying out tools and protective pads, and inspect headliner and seals for wear. Remove interior trim and fastener covers carefully with pry tools, keeping parts in labeled bags. Follow a consistent order so each bolt returns to its original hole. Take photos as you go for reference, and keep a friend nearby to help lift heavy panels safely. In this video, I will show how to remove the top of a Jeep Gladiator full guide. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free music and timers while you work. It's compact and sounds great in a garage. If you like this quick pick, subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove the top of a Jeep Gladiator full guide. Remove front and rear latches first, then unbolt windshield and header hardware in the recommended sequence. Keep panels supported while loosening fasteners and use labeled containers for hardware. With help, lift the panels straight up and away from the body to avoid catching seals. Store panels flat on padded surfaces and cover openings to prevent dust entry while you work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.